Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vishal. In this video, let's have a look on a tool called Set Camera Perpendicular in the ZModeler's polygon actions. So before getting into the video, I seek a suggestion from you guys. I just wanted to make more videos in ZBrush and I need some topics for that. I request you to suggest some topics where I can make some videos on that, and I would like to appreciate your feedback and suggestions on this topic. And let's start with the topic here. So I just hit spacebar on the polygon while I'm in the ZModeler. For ZModeler, you can press B, Z and M and then hit spacebar, and then you got set camera perpendicular. Go to the polycenter option here, which is a target, which is the only target given here. And then we got two modifiers, which is recenter view or do not recenter view. So what that actually does is, as you could see, my camera view is pretty straight here. Let me just go here and you should be able to see. Now when I just click on this particular face, you should be able to see the view is oriented so that the model is, the selected plane is parallel to the camera lens or perpendicular to the camera line. So the plane of that particular polygon. So let me give a try on a sphere and just keep it there. And I just click this particular face and you should be able to see that particular polygon plane is parallel to my camera plane here, or the plane is perpendicular to the camera alignment. So this is set perpendicular to the camera. Now if I generally choose another modifier, which is do not center, so if I just click it, the model will be oriented there and there itself without coming into the center of the view. So it is a great way to set things. When we are working on certain tools and you want that model to properly face to the camera. So this is very much like rotating the camera view. It's nothing to do with the modeling tools of ZBrush. If you have any opinions and suggestions or questions on this topic, you can ask me in the comment section.